Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another summer craft party video. Today I have a really cool slimline card for you. This is my Lighthouse Slimline card. Isn't that just so tranquil? I love how calm it is. It just really speaks to lake life. The simplicity makes it really pretty to me. There's a spot there on the inside for your message. And of course I included an envelope as well. It's a very simple design and it's super quick to put together. So let's grab our materials and get started. Step 1. Get the SVG Cut File. This project was part of Summer Craft Party 2023. To get the cut file for this project, you can purchase the VIP Access Pass that includes instant lifetime access to the entire 12-day event, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. Get more information on the VIP Access Pass at thebeardedhousewife.com/SCP23. If you're interested in only this project, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop. I have links to both options in the description box below. No matter which option you choose, you'll want to make sure you download the cut file, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines in any text. Now that the project has been brought into our canvas, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. We need to do some converting to the score lines, so let's first scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Highlight the score line, come up to the Operation menu and change that to Score. Highlight the group and Attach. And then we need to do the same thing for the card base. Highlight the score line, change that to Score, highlight the group, and Attach. So we have the score line for the envelope and the card base converted. Now we can go ahead and click Make It. I'll be using the mats for this project. You'll see the different mats for this card. Go ahead and click Continue. I'll be using medium cardstock for this project. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Alright, so everything has been cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that we're going to do is go ahead and layer up our front cover panel. I do have a layering guide within the download to help you visualize how to go ahead and do that, but I'm going to go ahead and mat everything up. One thing that I will mention is I'm going to be putting some foam dots behind these frame pieces to pop it out just a little bit. So I'll speed up the video and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. Okay, there is our front cover panel. Do you see how those foam dots really make everything pop? So I'm going to set that to the side so that everything can dry. Let's go ahead and mat and layer our messaging panel. Now we can go ahead and take our card base, fold along the score line, burnish with our scraper. Let's open up that card base and add our messaging panel to the inside. Go ahead and close up the card, and now we can add that front cover panel to the front of the card. And there we go. I will set that to the side and show you how to make the envelope really quick. So we'll just fold and burnish along the score lines. Add glue along the outer edge of the inlay panel. Flip that inlay over and place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around, bring those side flaps in, add your glue to the bottom of those side flaps. Push up with your thumbs and press. And that forms your envelope. And this card is all set. Did you love this one? I love the way that this one looks. It's really, really cool. If you make this project, I hope that you share it with me, whether that be through the Facebook group, our member group, or even through email. I would love to see your creations. Until next time, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife. I will see you at the next summer craft party video. Bye.